Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. After doing this cooking show for a while now, my favorite month's theme has always been this month. So once again, we will be doing Nostalgic November, where I'll be taking a look at another 4 more easy and delicious recipes from my childhood that will hopefully help you to create memories of your own. For this episode, we will be making some Thai-style sausage and rice dressing. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of uncooked sweet or glutinous rice, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemongrass, half a bunch of cilantro, 2 to 3 Thai chilies, 12 to 16 ounces of ground pork, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 green onions, 1 to 2 normal onions, 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of Thai basil leaves, 2 large eggs, and 1 pound of sourdough bread or pre-made bread stuffing. You will also need a 9x13 pan to cook the dressing in. This should be good enough for about 8 to 10 people, so adjust as needed. First, about a day or so before you want to make your dressing, slice up your sourdough into 1-inch cubes and set them out in a cool, dry place, either on the counter or in the fridge, to dry out and become stale overnight. Or if you forgot to do this like I did, after you cube the bread, you can place them in a preheated 200-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 20 minutes to quickly dry out your bread to approximate stale bread. While we wait for this, we can prepare the sticky rice. Traditionally, sticky rice is cooked by soaking it in water for 3 to 4 hours and then steaming it in a bamboo basket. But since most people won't have this special equipment, I'll be showing how to make it using a rice cooker. So first, rinse the rice a couple of times until the water is somewhat clear but still a little cloudy. Then add your rice to the rice cooker bowl and add in your water. I recommend a 1-to-1 ratio, but your rice cooker may differ slightly, so try different ratios if you want your sticky rice to be more or less clumpy. Then, let this soak in your unplugged rice cooker for 30 minutes up to 3 to 4 hours to allow the rice to soak up the water, making it softer and stickier. Then, when you're ready to cook it, give it a stir and sprinkle in some salt if desired. Make sure you flatten the rice so that all of it is covered in the water, and then cook it how you normally would cook other rice in your rice cooker. Then, once it's done, let it rest on warm for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you open the cooker to let the steam finish cooking the rice. Then you can fluff the rice up and let it rest in the rice cooker until you're ready to use it. While the rice is cooking, we'll prepare the pork mixture. So for your ginger and garlic, give these a mince and place half of them in a large bowl and set the other half aside for later. For your lemongrass, peel off the tough parts if needed, then mince this up into small pieces as well, and add it to the ginger and garlic bowl. Then for your cilantro, separate the stems and leaves, mince up the stems and add it to your bowl as well, and set the leaves aside for later. Lastly, for your Thai chilies, destem them, remove the seeds if you wish to make it less spicy, and then mince these into tiny pieces as well, and add it to your bowl. Then once your ingredients are ready, add in your pork and salt to the same bowl, and mix this all together. Then for the rest of the ingredients, for your green onions and normal onions, mince and dice these up into small pieces and set these aside as well. And for your cilantro leaves and Thai basil leaves, mince these up and set these aside also. Next, if you plan on baking your dressing right away, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then while we wait for that, we'll brown the pork mixture, so melt your butter in a large pot or pan over medium-high heat. Then once that's ready, add in the set-aside minced ginger and garlic, the prepared green onions and onion, and cook these until the onions soften, about 3 minutes or so. Next, add in the pork mixture and cook this for about 4 minutes or so, stirring and breaking up the meat often until it's no longer pink. Then, when that's ready, transfer the cooked pork mixture to a large bowl. Next, add in the chicken broth, cooked sticky rice, cilantro leaves, Thai basil, eggs, and cubed bread, and mix this all together. When everything is ready, place this mixture into a greased 9x13 pan and spread it out into an even layer. Cover this with some aluminum foil, and then once your oven is preheated, bake this for 30 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake this for another 30 to 40 minutes until the center is hot and the top is browned. Then remove this from the oven and let this cool for a few minutes before serving, and with that, your Thai-style sausage and rice dressing is ready to eat. For this last recipe this nostalgic November, I wanted to share one of my favorite Thanksgiving recipes from my childhood. Normal bread stuffing or dressing is already quite delicious and is one of my favorite Thanksgiving foods. But with this Thai-flavored inspired version, the spiciness from the Thai peppers and the herby fragrance from the lemongrass and Thai basil elevates this dish to the next level. The origins of this recipe come from an old November 2012 Sunset magazine issue, which we still actually have a copy of. I'm not quite sure when we decided to include this recipe in our Thanksgiving meals, but I'm definitely glad we found it. The Thai-inspired flavors of this dish are such a nice palate cleanser between bites of Thanksgiving turkey and mashed potatoes. And this dish is always on my plate when I inevitably go back for seconds, and especially as leftovers. Speaking of, you can reheat the fully cooked dressing in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 20 minutes, adding a little extra broth or water on top to keep the stuffing moist. Or you can also microwave it if you only want to reheat a little bit of it, of course. And if you want to make this recipe ahead, you can just combine all of the ingredients as normal into a baking pan, and then store it covered in the fridge for up to a week or so if you want to bake it fresh. But regardless of if you eat this fresh out of the oven or reheat it out of the microwave, this savory Thai-flavored inspired twist on the classic Thanksgiving dish will be a great side dish to spice up your meal with, and is even enjoyable as leftovers as well. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And then cook it how you normally would cook other rice.